Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Teacher GZ. Now you are going to learn how to find the base. Example number 1. 7 is 35% of what number? Solution. Percentage or P is equal to 7. B is missing number. Rate or R is equal to 35%. So we are going to use the formula B is equal to P divided by R. B is equal to 7. We are going to substitute the value of P, which is 7. Then the value of rate is 35%. So 7 divided by 35 hundredths. We are going to change 35% to decimal number. So 7 divided by 35 hundredths, the answer is 20. So the base is 20. So the answer is 7 is 35% of 20. We are going to check to verify if our answer is correct. You are going to use the formula P is equal to R times B. We are going to substitute the value of P, which is 7, R is equal to 35%, and B is 20. 7 is equal to 35% times 20. So we are going to change 35%, change to decimal, which is 35 hundredths. So 35 hundredths times 20, the answer is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, the answer is correct. Example number 2. 100% of what number is 660 pesos? Right? The rate is 110%. Of what number is the base, which is the missing number, and the percentage is 660 pesos. We are going to use the formula B is equal to P over R. So we are going to substitute the value of P and the value of R, or the rate. B is equal to 660 over 110%. 110% changed to decimal is 1.10 or 1 and 10 hundredths. B is equal to 660 divided by 1.10 hundredths. So the answer is 600. So B is equal to 600. The answer is 110% of 600 pesos is 660 pesos. We are going to check. We are going to use the formula P is equal to R times B. We are going to substitute. The value of P is equal to 660. R is equal to 110%. And B is 600. So 600 is equal to 110% times 600. So percent to decimal. So 110% to change to decimal is 1.10 or 1.10 hundredths. 1.10 times 600, the answer is 660. So 660 is equal to 660. Therefore, the answer is correct. Example number 3, 120 pesos is 180% of what number? Solution. 120 pesos is 180% of what number? So 120 is the percentage, and 180% is the rate, and of what number is the base, which is the missing number. We are going to use the formula B is equal to P divided by R. So B is equal to 120 divided by 180%. So B is equal to 120 divided by 1.80 or 1.80 hundredths. So the answer is 66.67. The base is 66.66. So the answer is 120 pesos is 180% of 66.66 pesos and 66 centavos. Now we're going to check, we're going to use the formula P is equal to R times B. We're going to substitute the value of P, which is 120, R is equal to 180%, and B is equal to 66.66. P is equal to R times B. B's, or P is equal to R times B. 120 is equal to 180%, which is the value of the rate, times 66.66, the value of B. 1.80 times 66.66, the answer is 120. So therefore, we can see that the equation is equal. So the answer is correct. Example number 4. 5/10% of what number is 2.5? Solution. So 5/10% is the rate of what number is the base, which is the missing number, and the percentage is 2.5 or 2 and 5/10. Now we are going to use again the formula. B is equal to P over R. B is equal to 2 and 5/10 divided by 0.5% or 5/10%. So we are going to decimal, which is 5,000. So 2 and 5/10 divided by 5 thousandths. So the answer is 500. So the base is 500. Alright, we are going to check our answer. We are going to use the formula. P is equal to R times B. We are going to substitute. P is equal to 2.5 or 2 and 5/10. R is equal to 0.5%. And B is equal to 500. So 2 and 5/10 is equal to 0.5% or 5/10% times 500. We are going to change percent to decimal. So 5/10%, the decimal is 5 thousandths. So 5 thousandths times 500, the answer is 2 and 5/10. So 2 and 5/10 is equal to 2 and 5/10. So the equation is equal. Therefore, the answer is correct. Thank you for watching, and it's time to show your love. Click the red subscribe button